All right, guys, I am out in Denton County. Let's take a look at this 3,003 square foot home, normally a 1-story with the option of a 2nd story that'll have an extra bedroom and an oversized game room at the top. So let's go check out the main floor in this beautiful model. All right, as you enter, you see the beautiful luxury LVT, and you can see how wide and welcoming the entry is. Look at that beautiful wall treatment. Now to the left, this is the model, but that would be the garage from the front. You saw that when we first walked up to the home. At the front are 2 bedrooms. Let's check out bedroom 1. Very nice. Easily accommodate a queen. That is a full. And there's the closet. Beautiful wall treatment, even with the angled ceiling. Very spacious. And then there's a shared bath at the front entry. You see it has tile flooring. Beautiful quartz countertop. It's a 3-piece with tub, toilet, shower. And then here's the 2nd bedroom toward the front. This one is staged as a nursery. As you can see, there's plenty of space in here. So this room, even though it's starting out as a nursery, can easily grow with the kiddo. All right, now let's move on into the home. And again, we're toward the front. If we veer left, we'll have, that is the door from the garage. And it has the half bath here on the main floor. There's a half bath, very spacious. And then here is the utility room with the washer dryer. And you can see this one has the shelving, which is really nice. And I'm gonna pivot so you can see the amount of space that's in this utility room. So you can easily add shelving if needed for extra storage or your laundry supplies. Now as we continue on into the home, into the main living area, you'll see you've got the eat-in kitchen. Isn't that a cute circular table? I like that. And then off behind the eat-in kitchen is a study. But this study, if you replace these double glass doors, could easily become another bedroom because that is a closet. Perfect. So this is actually a flex room. So we've already seen 2 bedrooms and a flex room in this floor plan. Now, look at this large, spacious kitchen. We've got plenty of countertop space, and the vanity, the countertops themselves are actually quartz. So it's even more durable than man-made granite. The cabinetry doors here are actually wood faced on the doors, so that increases the maintenance, decreases the maintenance and extends the longevity. So that's a quality feature. And then here's the pantry in the kitchen. As you can see, it's big enough to walk in, turn around, and walk out. So I'll turn back around so you can get a better look at this nice size walk-in pantry in the kitchen. Let's continue on. This community is featuring the farmhouse sink and gas appliances. And then we've got this beautiful living area with plenty of windows, upgraded wall treatment around the fireplace, a nice little niche there for decorating, and beautiful, beautiful transom skylight type windows. They're not super high, but they are high enough that you will always have the opportunity for natural lighting in this home. And the ceilings are extra tall, which gives you that luxurious experience. So let's continue on, and I'll give you a peek at the outdoor space. So as you can see, this is a very large patio. The extra pad area you can get for an upgrade for a nominal fee with this particular builder. And you can access the patio right off of the primary. So let's go check out the primary. Look at this, y'all. Beautiful, beautiful primary. Angled ceiling as well. Beautiful wall treatment in this model. I think I might add that to my home. And as you can see, there's plenty of space. You can have, you can mount a TV if you want instead of a mirror. All right, there's room for chairs, seating, and look how deep it is. It's so deep that you can have at the bottom of your king-size bed, bench seating, and still have plenty of space to walk around and dance with your partner. All right, and again, note how deep, how wide those tables are on the side. So this is a really large primary. Another thing I like about this particular builder is they have the split vanity. His side and the other side. Her side and the other side. And then look at the windows. Aren't those cute with the ledge for storage or decorating? And then we'll pivot around so you can see the tub and the shower. Nice. And I'll step back out so you can see how wide this primary bathroom is. Isn't that lovely? As we enter into the primary bath, you can see, again, there's a toilet area, and then here's the closet. We'll walk into the closet. You got tiered shelving all the way around. Lots of space here. Lots of space. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I personally love his and her everything, or his and his, her and hers. I don't care. God made us all. I love a split vanity in my primary area. Okay, now with this particular floor plan, again, it's 3,003 square feet. There's that entrance to the back patio right off the primary. And again, with this model, it's mostly a one-story, with the second story being optional. And upstairs, you will find an oversized game room and another bedroom and 3 closet areas and a bathroom. And I have a second video for you for that. All right, take a look. If you like this home, this community boasts a $850 HOA fee. The tax rate out here is 2.815. That's fully loaded with the PID. And because it is a planned community, you will get pools, kids parks, ponds, an amenity center, and also trails. Great. If this interests you, the price ranges from about $400,000 to the low sixes. So great value here too out in Denton County. Give me a call, Glenda, 817-527-8911, and I'd love to share more with you about this community. Bye.